Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 3 subject grammar. Our today's thought is do what is right, not what is easy. So this thought means that you have to see what is right and what is wrong, and you have to select the right path. You will not check whether it is easy or hard. Even if it is hard, you have to do it, but you have to do it only when it is right. You should not do anything wrong, because wrong things are generally easier, but never do wrong things. Do the right things even if the right things are harder. These are the instructions I will repeat, and I want you all to follow these instructions every day. Early to bed, early to rise. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before and after meal. Avoid junk food. Exercise regularly. Take bath every day. Go to school on time. Means you have to watch the videos on time as of now. And be attentive in the classroom, means while you are watching the video, as you are attending online lectures, you are watching the videos, you have to watch the videos attentively. Your whole focus should be there on the video while watching it. In our video today, we will continue with lesson number 13, kinds of adjectives that we have been learning. I will give the revision of the previous video. Then we will solve some interesting worksheets, continued, and then we will solve textual exercises. So let's continue. So in our previous video, we had understood what are demonstrative adjectives. They help in pointing out a specific person, place, animal or thing. We had seen examples. This chair is broken. That car is expensive. These clothes are wet. Those mangoes are tasty. This painting is very fine. She wants those shoes. Then we had solved exercise on possessive adjectives. We had to tick mark the correct word. All these questions we had solved in the previous video. Then we had also solved the exercise on possessive adjectives. We had to tick mark the correct answer and fill in the blanks which is given over here. Even that exercise we had completed till here. Now we shall continue further. So here is the exercise which you can see. What's given? The heading, read and complete with the correct possessive adjectives. What do we have to write? Possessive adjectives we have to write in the blanks. So the options are given over here, so you need not worry. My, your, his, her, our, their, all these are the options that are given over here. You have to fill in these blanks with the correct possessive adjectives. So let's begin with number 1. She is drinking dash soup. She is drinking dash soup. So this is a girl, and here as you can see, she is used over here. So which one do we select from all these options? See, I will just mark the options, means I will highlight the options so that you can have a better look that where are the options given. Which one do we write in number 1? We write her soup. So here I am writing the spelling H-E-R. That is the first answer. She is drinking her soup. Her because it is a girl. Next, number 2. I hope, see, all of you should write this one time in rough book. So please, while watching the video, do write it. Or you can do something like taking a screenshot. You can take a screenshot, or you can take the help of your parents or your elders how to take a screenshot. Afterwards, you can write it when you complete watching the video later on. Number 2. He is eating dash sandwich. He is eating dash sandwich. So, for sandwich, what do we write? See, one option we already written, so that we will not be able to write second time. We already written her. He, that is a boy, right? He means boy. So, whose sandwich? His sandwich. Let's write the answer. H-I-S, his. He is eating his sandwich. He is eating his sandwich. For boy, we write his. Number 3. See, these people, so many are there. What are they doing? They are eating food. See over here. They are eating dash food. They are eating dash food. Whose food? Their food. Because here you can see they is given. So with they, what do we write from these options? Their. They are eating their food. Because there are so many, more than one. So plural. Their. Let's write the answer in the blank. Number 3. T-H-E-I-R. There. And I'll put it in the blank over here. They are eating their food. So I hope you have written 1, 2 and 3. Then let's have a look. See, the options are same. I'll just highlight the options so that it is easy for you to find out the answer. Now the options are over here. Blank number 4. It is drinking dash milk. It is drinking dash milk. See, cat is drinking milk. So, it is drinking dash milk. With it, what do we write from this? With it, we write its. It is drinking its milk. With it, we write its. It is drinking its milk. I-T-S. That's the answer. See, I have written the answer as you can see, and I'll put in the blank. It is drinking its milk, because for animals we use it. Number 5. I am eating dash food. I am eating dash food. So, I am eating the food. So, whose food it is? I am eating the food. Whose food it is? It is my food. Of course, because I am eating the food, so it is my food. So we write M-Y, my, and put it in the blank. I am eating my food. Number 6. We are eating dash ice cream. We are eating dash ice cream. See, again here is plural, means more than one. You can see 3 are there. So, what do we write from this? We are eating our ice cream, because ice cream belongs to us and we are 3. So, our ice cream, this one. See, I will write the answer. You too have to write it. We are eating our ice cream. So, that is answer number 6. Then, the next we have this or that. You have 2 options, this or that, and you have to write any one in the blanks which are given over here. See, the blanks will be given 4, then till 10 the blanks are given over here. You have to write the answers of these blanks. And which options do you have? You have only 2 options, this or that. You just have 2 options, this or that. Now, first of all, you should again know the difference between this and that. What is the difference? The difference is this is near, that is far. Did you understand the difference? See, both are singular. Both are singular means both indicate one. But this means near. That means far. See, here it is given. As you can see over here, this is near, that is far. Let us write the answer. Dash is a bike. Dash is a bike. So, is it near or far? It is near. So, for that what do we write? This. T-H-I-S. This. This is a bike. Number 2. Dash is a ball. See, ball is very far. It is very far. So, for that what do we write? That. That is a ball. That is a ball. Number 3. Dash is train. Dash is train. The train is near. So, for near objects, what do we write? We write this. This is a train. Dash is a car. Now, also you can see that car is near. It is very near. So, again we write this. This is a car. Then, number 5. Dash is a plane. Dash is a plane. Now, plane is very far. It flies up high in the sky. So, that is plane. Dash is a go-kart. See, this is a go-kart, a type of car. Dash is a go-kart. This or that, we write this. T-H-I-S, because it is near. So, we write this. Dash is a kite. Dash is a kite. So, kite is really very far. So, for that we write, which word do we write? That. That is the adjective. That is a kite. Dash is doll. Dash is doll. Now, doll is far. So, as it is very far, we write that. That is a doll. Dash is a computer game. Do you like computer game? Yes, I know you like computer games. So, it is very near. It is very near. So, for near objects, we write this. This is a computer game. And number 10, dash is a monster. See, very scary monster. But it is far. So, don't worry, it will not come near. So, we write that. That is a monster. Just away from that monster. That is a monster. Now, next we have demonstratives. This, that, these and those. See, these 4 are demonstratives. This, that, these, those. Now, here we have to write any one answer from these 4 options. We just have 4 options, and in all these blanks, we have to write any one from these 4 options. So, let us see how many of you give the correct answers. Dash is my bed. Dash is my bed. So, bed is only one and it is near. See, chair is far but bed is near and it is only one. So, which one is the answer? This. What is the answer? T-H-I-S. This. This is my bed. Because bed is only one, singular, and it is near. Then, number 2. Dash are my glasses. Dash are my glasses. See, these are glasses. So, they are very far. They are very far. So, what do we write? Those. Because it is plural form. And it is away. It is not near, it is away. So, those are my glasses. Those are my glasses. Number 3. Dash are my gloves. See, these are gloves. You might have seen people wearing gloves. It is plural, means more than one. we need 2 gloves for wearing in both the hands. So it is plural. And is it near or far? It is near. So it is near, and also it is plural, means we write THESE, 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 these. These are my gloves. These are my gloves. Number 4, dash is my house. Dash is my house. See here, it is nearer than the tree, and also it is only one. It is not plural, it is singular, means it is only one. So what do we write? This, 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 this. This is my house. Next, dash are my scissors. Dash are my scissors. So scissors is already plural. So plural, but it is near. Plural, but it is near. So we write THESE, these. THESE, these. These are my scissors. Next, dash is my car. Dash is my car. So car is only one, but it is near. Though it is only one, but it is near. So which will be the answer? The answer will be this, THIS. This is my car. Next, dash is my sharpener. Dash is my sharpener. See, this is sharpener with which you sharp your pencil, right? So it is near, and also it is only one. See, only one sharpener it is, and it is also near. So again we write the same word, THIS, this. This is my sharpener. Dash are my dolls. Dash are my dolls. See, dolls are far, and also more than one, means they are two. So they are far and they are more than one. So what do we write? Those. Those are my dolls. So I will write that answer. Those are my dolls. And we put it in the last blank over here. Those are my dolls. See over here, I have written the answer. So we will continue with the same exercise. Dash are my socks. Dash are my socks. So for socks, what do we write? See, socks are near, but they are two, means more than one. They are more than one. It is a pair. So what do we write? THESE, these. THESE, these are my socks. These are my socks. Next, dash is my sofa. Dash is my sofa. See, sofa is over here, red color sofa, but it is far. And it is also one, means only one sofa it is. So singular, and it is far. So what do we write for that? THAT, that. That is my sofa. Next, dash are my apples. See, apples are two, means more than one. But are they far or near? They are near. So for near objects we write these when they are more than one. So apples are more than one, aren't they? So we write these apples, means these are my apples. Dash is my teacher. Dash is my teacher. So the teacher is over here, you can see. And the teacher is near to me, means the teacher is near the student. And teacher is only one, not more than one. So when it is near and it is only one, we write THIS, this. This is my teacher. Next, dash are my cows. Dash are my cows. So for cows, what will you write? They are far. See, they are far. And they are how many? they are two, means plural, more than one. So they are far and they are more than one. So for that we write THOSE. Those. Those are my cows. Next. Dash is my skirt. Dash is my skirt. So skirt is over here. See the arrow. And is it near or far? It is far. And it is only one. So it is far and it is only one. For that, which adjective do we write? We write that. That is my skirt. Next. Dash is my computer. Computer is also far and computer is also one. So far and singular means one. Again, what do we write? We write that. Same answer as above. That is my computer. Dash are my biscuits. Dash are my biscuits. See, here are biscuits, they are far and they are more than one. So again we write those. Those are my biscuits. Those are my biscuits. Next. So here is one homework for you. This is or these are. See, this means one. So we write this is. These means more than one. So we write are. Now here you have to do this homework. You can take screenshot. You have to match the following. And you have to draw the lines and you have to match the following. Then we will solve it in the next video. Now let us continue with the textual exercise. So here is your textual exercise of lesson number 13, kinds of adjectives. This is your textbook page, as you can see, grammar textbook, page number 51. Grammar textbook, page number 51. Now let us read it and then we will solve the exercise. Read these sentences. So you all will read along with me. Salim is a helpful boy. Rambo is a naughty dog. Rome is an old city. The highlighted adjectives tell us about the quality of these nouns. Helpful, naughty, old are highlighted adjectives. Adjectives that describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives of quality. Adjectives that describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives of quality. Now exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with adjectives of quality of your choice. Means you have to fill in the blanks and you have to write the answer whichever you think the answer should be. Means you have to write the answers of your choice. Whatever you think the answer should be, that answer you will have to write over here. So let us read one by one and try to find out the answers. But which answers will you write? Adjectives of quality. You will only write quality describing words. Let us see. Number 1. I want a pair of dash shoes. So here you can say I want a pair of, let us say, new. I want a pair of new shoes. You can write your own answer also. You can write I want a pair of sports shoes. I want a pair of white shoes. So likewise you can write your answer. There are no dash cookies left. So which kind of cookies do you like? Let us say that you like chocolate cookies, right? Everyone, we like chocolate cookies a lot. So here we will write chocolate, CHOCOLATE. There are no chocolate cookies left. Means someone has eaten up chocolate cookies, so there are no chocolate cookies left. Number 3. South India is also famous for its dash temples. Now South India is located in the south, means below. The map, if you have seen the map of India, when you go down south side, there we see so many temples are there. And which kind of temples are they? They are very old. So you can write over here ancient, A-N-C-I-E-N-T, ancient means very old temples are there in South India. Very old temples are there. Number 4. The pyramids in Egypt are dash structures. So if you have seen some images of Egypt, there are a lot of pyramids of triangle shape. They are very strong. Which kind of structures are they? They are very strong, means they won't fall down so easily. They are strong structures. She has a dash handwriting. Which kind of handwriting? She has a neat handwriting, or you can say she has a beautiful handwriting. You can write that also. She has a wonderful handwriting. So whatever you like, the answer should be written. I have written the possible answers, but students are allowed to write their own answers. So here, this exercise, match the following. I said that you can do it in homework, but for that you have to take out the print of the page. So if you can take out the print of this page, then you can do it and you can send me the homework, or I will do it now for you. Later on you can take out the print of the page, right? So first one, this is a flower. So here is the flower, you can see. I will match it with the flower. This is a flower. Then number 2 is these are bananas. Where are they? So these are bananas. Then these are dogs. Where are the dogs? The dogs could be seen over here. So these are dogs. Then this is a house. Where can you find the house? Over here. So this is a house. Then this is a pencil. Pencil is over here. This is a dog. Where is the dog? Only one dog it is. So it is over here. This is a dog. Then these are houses. 2 houses are there. 2. So these. Then this is a kite. Only one kite. Where can you find it? Just over here. These are pencils. More than one. So it is over here. These are kites. So more than one kite. It is right here. Then this is banana. Just one banana. It's over here. So today we learned the concept of this and that. Also we learned demonstrative adjectives and possessive adjectives, and we solved exercise number 1 from lesson number 13, kinds of adjectives. So that exercise 1 is homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.